Hello guys! Welcome to the second chapter of the course Instagram Marketing Hero. In this lesson, we're going to talk about creating an Instagram account. Let's get started. There are two ways you can create your account. First, you can download the mobile app on your mobile phone. Then open the Instagram mobile app. You can now register a new account using this app. Here, you can log in with your Facebook account or sign up with your phone or email. Let's sign up with an email address. Next, input your name and password. You have two options in order to continue. The first option is to continue and sync your contacts, and second is to continue without syncing your contacts on Instagram. Then add your birthday, click Next. This is the username that Instagram automatically generated for us. We can change this now, or we can do that later. Click Next. Then you can also connect your Facebook or skip it for now. If you haven't prepared your profile picture yet, we can upload it later. Instagram will suggest some Instagram profiles for you to follow. Browse the accounts you want to follow per category. We have successfully created our Instagram account using our Instagram mobile app. You can now start browsing your feed. As you can see, all the posts that we see on our feed are the accounts that we followed earlier. Second, you can use the web app. Just go to instagram.com and sign up for a new account. You have the option again to log in with your existing Facebook account and input your Facebook login details. You will see your newly created account as you sign in, since Instagram will get your Facebook account details. Another way you can create a new Instagram account is to input your details here as you sign up. It's almost the same as signing up using the Instagram mobile app. That is how easy you can create a new Instagram account on your mobile device or using the web app. If you're going to use this for your business, I'm going to show you how to do that in the next lessons. Just keep on watching the next lesson so you can get to that lesson on how you can use your Instagram account for your business. Now you know how to create an Instagram account, we can now proceed to the next topic, which is choosing the best Instagram handle or username. We're going to talk about choosing the best Instagram handle or username. When you first created your account, Instagram has automatically generated an Instagram handle for you that later you might want to change to something better. It's possible to change it to a different username if you want and make it suitable for your brand or your business. Let me show you how to do it. Go to your profile, then click Edit Profile. This is the section where you can change your name and username. These two are different. Let's see an example. When you click on an Instagram profile, this is the name, while this one is the Instagram handle or username. Now that you know how to change your username or handle, let's talk about the best Instagram handle or username that you can use for your business. As I've mentioned earlier, this is the Instagram handle, while down below is the name where you can use names like your business category. The good thing here is, both the Instagram handle and the name you place on your profile are searchable, so when people search for a business related to your category, they will be able to see your Instagram handle and your business category in their search results. Tip number 1. Create a handle that is easy to say and remember. It will be hard for customers or followers to recall your Instagram handle if you have multiple names that are not related to each other. It won't be easy for them to find you on Instagram. In this example, the handle is Sales Made Simple. It has multiple names separated by underscores, but it's catchy and easy to recall. Tip number 2. Keep it short. The easier it is to type, the faster your followers will make it easier to mention your business in their posts as they tag you. In this example, their Instagram handle can easily tell people what their business is all about. It's about improving your sales. This is a tagged post for this Instagram handle. Tip number 3. Use the same Instagram handle with all your other social media accounts. This way, it will be easier for people to access your different social media accounts since they won't be confused to find you using different names per social network. In this example profile, you can see here that she has an account on Facebook. Let's search for her handle on Facebook. If we compare them, they use the same profile picture and the same handle as well. This is a very good example. Tip number 4. Use your brand. Your Instagram handle should be professional, and by using your brand, you're using a professional business brand. It will be easier for you to create your brand awareness and to grow your brand if you use it as your Instagram handle. In this example, she used an Instagram handle the same as her name. and her name is supported by a description of her service. Instagram handle is a unique identifier that differentiates you from other Instagram users. No one can use your handle once you chose your Instagram handle. Remember, creating the best username or handle will make way for your business to be known, but you must support it with the best content you can share with your customers or followers.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.